Let's create a cylinder. Type R, Y, and 90 to rotate the cylinder 90 degrees on the Y-axis. Tab to go to edit mode, Ctrl R to add a loop cut. Let's create 25 cuts in total. S and X to scale in the X-axis. I'll show you how to use the spin tool to create a bending pipe shape. First we need to move the 3D cursor, because the spin tool will use the 3D cursor as its rotation anchor point. By the way, I found out my Blender would crash if I use the spin tool with the screencast add-on. I have created a new session in order to see if I can replicate the crash. Blender crashed again. I have confirmed the crash only occurs when I use the screencast add-on to show my keystrokes. I have disabled the keystroke add-on, typed Tab to go to edit mode, selected the left face, and activated the spin tool in the top viewport. Please click and drag the left plus button. The mesh would spin and rotate around the 3D cursor when we click and drag the plus icon. Let's move the 3D cursor and see how the rotational boundary changes right away. This is how we use the spin tool in Blender. But I prefer using an extruded curve point method instead. Let's move the mesh, so that its starting point is at the world center position. Shift-C to reset the 3D cursor. Let's add a curve point. If you don't see that, please activate an add-on called Extra Objects. Please press the 3D button, and E to extrude along the shape like this. A to select all, V and A to smooth the curve. Let's add a curve circle and use that as the bevel object. Time to bevel the curve and use the circle as its bevel object. The curve point method is better, because we can easily customize the shape by changing the locations of the curve points. Let's move the spin tool mesh upward a bit, and change the Z locations of some curve points on the second mesh. The curve point method is the one I would recommend for everyone to use. This is the end of the tutorial. Please like and subscribe if you have enjoyed watching this tutorial. Thank you for watching.